Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. I purchased this clothes hanger from a website called One Deal a Day, which is a South African online shopping website. So let's assemble it and see whether it is worth its money. The first problem is there's no instruction. Nothing. So, time to do some puzzling. So, let's see what we have. We've got 4 wheels, 4 keys, 4 corners, and then an assortment of pipes, and 4 of these. So, like any puzzle, let's separate our pieces first. Let's see where we are. So we have 2 long ones, 2 slightly shorter ones, then 6 that's about the same length, yeah, all of them, then 2 that's slightly shorter and 2 that's the shortest. Simple these, we've got some wheels, so ideally they should go in here. When you push it, this is a plastic fitting, likely to break. Put it in and then push on the inside of the wheel so that you don't twist the wheel and break the shaft off. As I say, everything's plastic here. Same with this one. We'll push it in and then just push it home like that to get it nice and flush. Next one, same thing, little plastic wheel. Push it and press down on the shaft itself. Oops. Same with that one. So those are sorted. On the picture we can see we've got 4 equal lengths here. The T's goes there, wheels there, we've got 2 long ones there. So long ones seem like they pop in here and in here. And the same thing this side. Nice. Just awesome. Then we have these that are all the same length and 2 that's slightly longer. So these appear to be equal lengths with those T's up there and 2 short pieces just there on the photo. I don't know if you can see it there. So we've got 4 of these and 4 of these. Like that. Short one there, short one there, this one this side, and this should just pop in here. Same thing this side, that one goes in there, this one in there. Got these 4. Oh, there's our next piece. We've got 2 long ones, 2 medium ones, 2 short ones. The photo we've got 2 pins that's slightly different lengths as you can see here. Let's have a look at this now. So clearly this goes, let's see if that works. I chose the longest one to start with, as this will be clearly too short. These also fit with a short side to go in between, so this should be the one that fits over there. Yes. So that one and this one. Position it with the hangers on the edges downwards. Now we've got these four, one this side, one at the back. Let's adjust the angle a bit. There we go. Short one in front, tall one at the rear. Go. And lastly the rear one. This extrusion is nice. Let's try again. There we go. Lastly, we've got these two. Yeah, there. And there it is. Fully assembled, less than 10 minutes. Strength wise, not too bad. However, this will be the weak spot. Heavy objects is likely to damage this, so I would not put anything heavy on top of these two beams. In the photo they've got, but I won't do that. I think that's a bit too flimsy. However, the rest looks okay. I can actually put quite a bit of weight on this with my hand, and it seems to be quite sturdy. Let me get that in the frame for you. So if you look at the top here, there we go. There we go. So I can pull down with a good amount of force, and it seems like it handles it quite well. It's rated at 35 kilograms, and I think it will easily handle that. And that's my video. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. If this video helps you to assemble yours, please like and subscribe, and may you have a great day, and stay safe out there. Thanks. Bye bye.